So what bothers you most about your hair?
The front here, I'm noticing receding hairline. I'm only 30 years old, and then
Right.
maybe I have the crown too.
Crown.
Yeah.
So it's very common to lose some hair in both of those places. And the way that we start our process is we typically will start with something called PRP, where we take your blood, we purify it, and we put the growth factors in the whole scalp, which will help stimulate some of the follicles. The other thing that we do is put you on the right skin, the products for your hair, the right shampoos, the right oral medicine, the Nutrafol, and then we do what's called a Neograft. A Neograft is quite simple, where we take hair follicles out of the back of the head, and you have a lot of extra hair follicles that you'll never miss, and then we take them out one at a time, and then go ahead and plant them in the front or the crown where we need them, and it's your own naturally growing hair. So that will stay there forever. So we can always thicken up both the front and the crown quite simply with Neograft.
Yeah, sounds good. I mean, I'm excited.
Not bad. We do that under local anesthesia, meaning you awake, give you a little Valium by mouth, a little Percocet, and you just hang out with us for about 5 hours.
Really?
And we
This is
pluck
that
them.
fast?
Yeah, it's quick. We pluck them and plant them. Pluck and plant. Easy stuff.